This review is of Alternative Baking Company Incorporated's seasonal Cocaroon cookie. It's non-GMO and PARB, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's also vegan, and let's see. If you're not delighted, you can return the remaining part of the in the package. Blah blah blah. Alright, so I'm not sure you're going to be able to read all of this, but there are the nutrition facts right there, and the ingredients are going to be even more difficult. This does contain, let's see, 4 grams of fat, of which half of that is saturated, no cholesterol, 45 milligrams of sodium, 11 grams of carbs, 1 gram of which is dietary fiber, so not, nice, but not great. 5 grams of added sugar and 1 gram of protein. Buttery spread made from palm, canola, and olive oils. So good and bad, because the palm is not good because it's probably where the saturated fats came from, along with the chocolate. There's non-dairy lactic acid. That's interesting. Water. There's so much stuff in here. Egg substitute. And it does have coconut in it. Alright, well, let's find out. Smells interesting. Not sure if that's a good interesting or a bad interesting. It's weird because it's at that point where you can't really taste the coconut, but the chocolate is extremely subdued as well. So it's kind of a bit of a blah flavor, honestly. You can feel the chocolate chips, you can feel the grated coconut. You just can't really taste either very much at all. So for me, this is kind of a disappointment. I guess I'll give it a 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.